Welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I am going to provide a step-by-step guide on how to download Visual Studio Code on Windows 10 and 11 in 2025. Before jumping into the solution, I kindly request you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is download the setup from the link I provided in the description. After downloading, double-click on the setup file and follow my steps. Once the installation is complete, open Visual Studio Code, and you'll see that it works perfectly without any issues. If you encounter any problems, feel free to comment on this video. I reply to all comments. You can also share your video ideas with me. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching until the end.